A very good morning to our lecturer, Sir Ismail bin Aziz, and my fellow friends. Today, we will like to talk about EOC1 from course Telecommunication Network. So first, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad FADHLIN bin SAFRI. My number matrix is 07 DEP30083. My members is Wenceslaus DONNY. His number matrix is 07 DEP20108. We are from program DEP3B. So let's begin with the question 1. Definition of ADSL. ADSL, or known as Asymmetric Digital Subscriber Line, is a type of DSL broadband communication technology used for connecting to the internet. ADSL allows more data to be sent over existing copper telephone lines (POTS) when compared to traditional modern line. A special filter called a microfilter is installed on a subscriber's telephone lines to allow both ADSL supports data rates from 1.5 to 9 megabits per second when receiving data, which is known as the downstream rates, and from 16 to 640 kilobits per second when sending data, which is known as the upstream rates. So let's move on to the next slide. Question 2. ADSL basic network diagram for Streamix, Telkom Malaysia and Unify Telkom Malaysia. Streamix connects to the internet using an older, slower broadband technology called DSL. DSL is a wireline transmission technology that transmits data over traditional copper telephone lines already installed in home and business. So this is ADSL basic network diagram for Streamix. From internet to the router to the bus and this lamp, then to the splitter. Voice network also go to the splitter using copper telephone lines and split into two. Voice network split into telephone and internet split into modem to the desktop computer and laptop with wireless adapter. Let's move on to the Unify. Unify connects to the internet using a faster broadband technology fiber optic cables. Fiber optics transmits data at speeds far exceeding current DSL or cable modems. So this is a DSL basic network for Unify. From customer premise, we have TV to the STB to the RG to the BTU. And then we have laptop to the RG to the BTU and telephone to the BTU. From BTU to the FWS. From FWS to the FTB. From FTB, they are divided by two. One to the fiber distribution point and another one to the manhole to the pedestal distribution point. Let's continue with the question 3. Components that participate within ADSL architecture, Streamix Telkom Malaysia and Unify Telkom Malaysia. Number 1. Modems. Number 2. DSLAM, Digital Subscriber Line Access Multiplexer. Number 3. Splitter. Number 4. Copper cable. Number 5. Fiber optic cable. Number 6. Local audio switch. Number 7. Main distribution frame. Finally, number 8. PC or data and telephones. And for the next presentation, I will pass it to my others member. So that's all from me. Thank you.
And the variety of broadband package with speed for Streamix and TM Unify. And Unify is likely the better choice of a Streamix broadband service. However, we need to make sure that Unify is covered in our area. And remember, it costs more expensive than Streamix. Essentially, Unify is primarily better if you want a faster internet service. And for the Streamix speed, the variety of broadband package with speed ranging from 1 Mbps up to 8 Mbps, and the Unify is package of a speed ranging between 30 Mbps to 300 Mbps. This is the package for the Unify. We have the 30 Mbps, 100 Mbps, 300 Mbps up to 800 Mbps. And this is for the stream mix, 1 Mbps up to 8 Mbps. Well, question number 5, significant difference between PSTN and DSL in terms of cable and how much frequency it can carry. So the PSTN, it can carry voice. It still can be used at the modern world, but it's more slowly than DSL, and the frequency it's between 0 until 4 kilohertz. And for the DSL, it can carry not only voice but also the text and audio. And DSL is the more efficient to use it because it's more faster than PSTN, and the frequency to DSL is between 25 to 1104 kilohertz. And then this is the diagram, which is we can see the POTS is also known as the PSTN, and the upstream, downstream DSL is for the DSL. So this is the connection for the PSTN. We have the local exchange, MDF cabinet, which is the cabinet can serve for the one resident, which is 100 until 300 customer. And then next, go to the DP box and go to the customer premise. This is the connection of DSL, which is have this LAN and local audio switch, and go to the main distribution MDF and go to DSL modem at house, and after that go to the data and the telephone. And that's only from us. Thank you.